MSC Yacht Club balcony, deluxe balcony room 18037. I come in, mirror to your right hand side. To the left is the bathroom, and marble granite countertops, shelving here, plenty of space to move around in here, and we have the toilet and a sink, and we do have a shaving mirror right here. And up here, not a lot of people know this. This is for I don't know how to. There we go. This is for like razors and stuff, electric razors. And we got the shower, and this shower has a seat. And we got a little shelf over there in the corner. Green fall shower head. An adjustable shower head over there, which is detachable. You do have MSC amenities, body wash and shampoo, or shower gel and shampoo. Pretty nice spacious area. If you're kind of fluffy, your legs aren't going to hit the shower door or either side. And we do have plenty of storage underneath this sink here with a trash can. Plenty of storage on the countertop. 2 shelvings with wash towels. Somebody had mentioned that on another video I watched that they didn't get wash towels. I don't know if it's just a yacht club thing, but we have plenty of wash towels. We have MSC amenities like conditioner here, body wash, and shampoo. And then we have a shower cap and a sewing kit. That's kind of unusual right there. But down here we have tissues and bathroom tissue, more shelving, and more shelving here to the right hand side. That'll do it for the bathroom. As I come out the bathroom, straight opposite is a closet, and the light comes on automatically when you open the closet. Shelving above, and you got shelving down below for shoes. Plenty of space here, especially for 3-day cruise, 7-day, plenty of space. As I come along here, I do have glasses and mixed nuts, and there's ice in the bucket. Yes, there is. Thank goodness, because I'm really hot. And with sparkling water and regular water. And they do provide you with a list of champagnes, which is extra paid for. I don't know if you guys can see the prices of that. Just let me know. But when you're in the yacht club, you have a premium beverage package, so it covers a lot of stuff. So for alcohol, you really don't need to pay extra for anything. So we've got a seat under here, a little poof for you to make big makeup mirror right here. You have a drawer that has bags in it for the laundry service, and another drawer that has your hair dryer and your tissues. And I'm going to turn around, and there is the bed. Got lights on either side with a little bedside table that has 2 drawers. Very spacious. Very spacious. And you've got an on-off light here. A couple of light switches here for the lights. There's a reading light right there. It's not on the right side of the bed. let's go check the left side. Okay, so on the left side of the bed, you have also drawers, and we do have one USB port and the same setup, light and a reading light. And the pillows is, you can get choice of pillows. You just have to ask your butler to give you special type of pillows. I'm gonna see if I can get one of those cervical orthopedic pillows later. And we've got a big TV with cabinets underneath and an espresso. And
time for tea and
there's an
espresso.
espresso.
We gotta do it.
And next to this is the fridge.
Mini bar. Guess what, y'all? Mini bar. You can eat whatever, drink whatever you want out the mini bar.
He normally doesn't drink beer, but this is what you get.
Love Heineken.
So you can choose to get that.
Didn't charge me any extra.
And we
That's
have
what I always like about it.
the second closet.
And then if they see that you like a certain thing,
we have bathrobes.
They'll start putting more of that in there.
And slippers.
You know, you got to do 2 reviews. You got to do your review, and then you got to do one more.
At the top, and we have a safe. It's not very big, like you can barely fit a tablet. Maybe an iPad. I don't even say an iPad. You can't even fit an iPad in there. And you got 1, 2, 3. There's 5 drawers over here with ample space in each one.
They don't have this little separator thing.
And then
I love this little separator thing. Oh my God.
We've got a chair with
It's a trash can.
and over here is a sofa sleeper. This does convert into a bed.
If they see that you like these, they will continue to keep putting them in.
Can you guys see that? So tonight they will pull this out for the bed.
Like with me.
And now go out to the balcony. And it's really hot, so I'm finna do this really fast. I'm gonna stand over here in the corner of the balcony. And this is a pretty spacious balcony. There are 3 of us in this cabin this time. So I am going to ask for extra chair to put out here. Alright, if you like this room tour, this is MSC Seaside Deluxe Yacht Club Room 18037. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye for now.